Hello people, I'm back. So today we're gonna play another class of Mikhail. Ooh, but this time it's not going. Why? Wait, I see one J. We have a problem. Wasn't he yellow? I'm scared. Oh, hello, Golden Tree Tea. How you doing today? I'm doing fine. How are you? Fine, I just clicked on you and I'm wondering what if I happen to click you again. Let's go on jump scares. His jump scare were pretty cute. What did you? Same as him. Ugh. Dude! There's the same problem with you again. My mind. So I found something new night. Where are you? Oh, Lawrence. Stop moving. Stay still. Internet team will be like, get over it! Ah! Yay, I'm gonna be dead! Dude, I'm controlling you for the soul girl. We want to kill the not good, not being dead. Your leg. Leave me dead! I want to be dead. Keep me dead. I'm fast as a hedgehog, so you cannot catch me. Get over here. That's not fair, you're so fast! I'm fast as a hedgehog. You're supposed to be broken and slow, not being so fast. It's probably gonna take a long time. Cannot get me. I'm a gingerbread man. I'm a gingerbread man. I'm a gingerbread man. This music reminds me of the Titan thing. Get over here! No. I'm not gonna be dead again. This guy's getting on my nerves once again. Let me kill you! No. Not gonna happen. Get over here! I'm not letting you... Get your food cupcakes. No, not gonna happen, man. I wish cupcakes. Oh my god, when are you gonna die or not? I'm just wondering. Pew you one time. Let me pew you a second time. Third time. $100 years later. Automatically 100 years later. Haha, you cannot get me. Whatever it takes. 1 second later. I mean 1 minute later. What about the people who are burned? Why my cross side just banned? Well, what the heck? How do they even defeat them? The Night Guard is supposed to be dead. This is bad. What should we do? May got a plenty idea. What is it? You'll see. See, so we gotta make a plan. I got an idea. Push. Hey, why do you push me for? You're the pit one. Get over here, boys. Please do not take me out. Nice. Yes, nice. We are hallucinations. What? We just builded you and you're now called hallucinations? I'm ready to kill some people. That's the spirit Jake calls.